Riyad As-Salihin, The Gardens of the Righteous, by Imam Nawawi, produced by Respect Graduate School. Chapter 30, Quranic verses, Treating Women Well. Consort with them, women, in a good manner. Surah An-Nisa, Chapter 4, verse 19. You will never be able to deal between your wives with absolute equality in respect of love and emotional attachment, however much you may desire to do so. But do not turn away altogether from any one of them, so as to leave her in a dangling state, uncertain if she has or does not have a husband. If you act righteously between them and act in piety, fearful of doing any deliberate wrong to any of them, then surely Allah is all forgiving, all compassionate. Surah An-Nisa, Chapter 4, verse 129. Hadith number 154, narrated in Sahih Muslim, Rada 61. Abu Huraira, may Allah be pleased with him, reported that the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him, said, "A believing man should not hate a believing woman. If he dislikes something in her character, he should be pleased with some other or another trait of hers." Hadith number 155, narrated in Sunan at-Tirmidhi, Rada 11. Amr ibn al-Ahwas al-Jushami, may Allah be pleased with him, reported that he heard the Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, say during the farewell Hajj, after praising and glorifying Allah and reminding and admonishing, "Treat your women well. They are as captives in your possession. You have no rights over them except that, meaning physical enjoyment, and that they protect their husband's interest in respect of themselves and his property. If they act licentiously in an open way, then leave them alone in their beds and beat them, but not severely. If they obey you, you have no way against them. You have rights over your women, and your women have rights over you. Your right over them is that they do not allow into your bed those you dislike, and do not permit those you dislike to enter your house. Their right over you is that you are good to them in respect of their clothes and food." Hadith number 156, narrated in Sunan at-Tirmidhi, Rada 11. Abu Huraira, may Allah be pleased with him, said, "The Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him, said, the most perfect of believers in belief is the best of them in character. The best of you are those who are the best to their women." Hadith number 157, narrated in Sahih Muslim, Rada 64. Abdullah ibn Amr ibn al-As, may Allah be pleased with him, reported that the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him, said, "This world is enjoyment, and the best of its enjoyment is a righteous woman.